Okay, people, as we keep pushing forward with the single cam, let me get the bolts off to remove the cover. I got the flywheel off, and you see I already have the dampener off, so get this off and then get the oil pan off, get the parts I need to get the engine on the engine stand. Stay tuned, people. More to come. Driveway builds. Okay, people, got the oil pan off. I got it all over, flipped over, so you see right there, it hit the block. The rod is bent. The weak link in the D series, the rod. Yeah, I guess can't handle more than 15 pounds of boost. It shouldn't go over 10. 250 horsepower. Well, stay tuned, people. More to come. Ain't done yet. I got the pickup tube off. Now I just got to get it off. So I'll reverse the order. I am taking it off. So get these all off and continue from there. That's it. Get this off. Then we'll get and check that rod. Alright, got the grid off. I got all the nuts off the rod bolts. I even got the oil pump off the front. So now I just gotta take off the rear main seal on the back. And you see I got the stuff on here. So continue taking this out. Need the crank. Everything looks good too. No scratches or nothing, so just normal wear. Well, there it is, people. If you can see it, the bearing's still there, but you can see the rod is bent. Really, oh, the bolt fell in. You can see it's bent. It hit the sides of the block. But she is bent, and these are all straight. Stay straight. Look at that. That is bent. Wow. Got me home though. Alright, keep pushing forward. But you can see right there, people, the damage to the block. The other ones got no damage at all. Bearings, normal wear. Let me show you the rod. Now here's the normal rod. This is number 2. Nice and straight. Number 1. Look at that. But it did break a ring land though. I guess the rings are holding. I don't know. I did bend the rod. Guess they're right. They're weak. Lucky I got a replacement for that. They weren't lying. Single cam rod cannot handle more than 250 horsepower or 15 pounds of boost. Stay tuned for more, people. Subscribe, comment. Woo! 420 build. Horsepower. Well, here's the old block setting. And here's the one that's going to go up in there. This is from that previous build. You can see each spot in the block is notched. So, yeah, up there for the rod. So I got everything. I got to get everything really cleaned up, really good. Clean all that. I'm gonna use the other. I have the griddle that goes with this block. That's gonna stay with that block. I put that back together and yeah, get this all cleaned up and take this bracket off, paint it all up real nice, make it look really good. But that's what we got so far right now, people. See all the bearing turtles are not bad. So keep pushing forward. Driveway builds. You see the boards are not bad. They got a little bit of like surface rust and stuff, but I got this cylinder home blaze breaker, so I'm gonna use this, some WD-40 each cylinder bore, clean them up real good. Okay, you see down there a little bit of surface rust there, and might have some coolant in there too. So I'm just gonna clean these up, and you see a little bit of rust there too. So I'm gonna start now. All right, so we're gonna take a little bit of WD-40 down in the bore, and you just do each one. I got cardboard down, so I'll catch it. But you can see. So lubrication each one. Get to honing. You can see now, look at the difference, cylinder one. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more here to clean this one up. The other two took really good, so I'm gonna continue doing this more, and you guys will see it as we go. Stay tuned, people. More to come. Driveway built. You can see they're cleaning up pretty good. This one looks really good. So this one, not bad. A little bit right there at the top. And this one I still got, I mean, I haven't wiped out the oil yet, but still gotta hone that one some more. It got some, I don't know if it's pitting or what, but it didn't look like pitting, but I don't know. Continue hone it till it looks like that one. Nice. You know, like that. I'm not going super fast with this, you know, and it's not set super tight either. I'll clean it up. Just keep checking. Driveway builds. I'm getting it, people. I'm getting it. I ain't stopping till it looks good. And all within spec. Stay tuned. Let me finish this up and then we can get to the next section. Whew, man. A lot of work. A lot of work. Except for work. What do you think, people? That's number one. This is number two. Remember how it was? Number three. And number four. They're all looking really good. Put a little more work in this right there. I'm trying to keep it all uniform. Real nice. See all the hashies, real nice. Oh yeah. For a 20 horsepower build on the single jingle. You see it there, people. D16z6. Yeah, could have gone K, but hey, it's not in the budget. So we're gonna push the single jingle with the new setup with the Eagle rods, forged pistons, SRP. What? 9-to-1 compression? Ain't no Vitar, baby. We're gonna put some power. Power! Okay, people, continuing on. You see, I put a nice fresh coat of paint on, and it's the VHT engine enamel, good to 550 high temp. This is the universal aluminum, so they're both sides of it. You know, did like 2 coats on it, so I let it dry. So everything's looking good. So now we're gonna go on the next step. You can see the head sitting over there. So what I'm gonna do is put the rings in and check ring gap. So I'm gonna do that now and start with that process. I'll show you on one piston and then we'll go from there. Now you saw in the other picture of the bent rod, you see how it is, and now you will see the replacement that's going in there. You know, I mean, you can see the Eagle rod, H-beam, really nice. You know, it is a used set of rods, Eagle rods, and then these pistons are SRP. They're made by JE Piston. This is their brand, SRP. They don't make these no more, so they are actually discontinued, but these are 9-to-1 compression. So compared to the Vitars, which would leave my compression around 7.5 to 1, this gets me right at stock compression at 9-to-1. So the engine will run real good. I mean, you can see it still has rings in them and everything. So real quick, I'm just going to show you this set ring gap. I'm just going to check the gap on these, and then I got the new rings that I'll take them all out one by one, gap them, you know. But just wanted to show you the difference in rod size. All right, people, stay tuned. 420 build. Are we gonna get there? We'll see. I got the right ingredients. Just make that salsa. Okay, people, so back to the build. We're gonna do ring gap. So what you need is a set of these feeler gauges, you know. And what we're gonna do, the top ring is gonna be 18, the second ring is gonna be 20 thousandths. So I'm gonna get the 18 and 20 out, and I'm gonna take these rings off right here and see what they were at. These were on the pistons. I got it. Like I said, this is a used setup. So I mean, we're gonna check it out, see how it is, what's at right now, what they had it at, you know. But I got a brand new set of rings to go with this, so we'll continue with the build. All right, you see right here, I got the 18 and the 20 out. So like I said, top ring will be 18, second ring will be 20, and then the oil control rings are just where they're at. That's fine. And that's for boost, you know, not all motor, but boost, because you don't want the rings to close up that gap right there. When they close up on the temperature and it hits each other and it breaks the ring land off the piston, so that's a no-no. So I'm gonna take this ring off real quick and we'll get to measuring. See, on this ring, it's got a little dot right there that faces up, so I'm gonna get up in there and then measure the gap. I tried a couple different ones, and the 24 actually fits in there nice and snug, like slight drag, but yeah, but that's what I'll be doing now. So stay tuned, people, more to come in the build. I'm gonna get all the brand new rings I got all fitted, you know, and get the pistons installed, and then I'm gonna start doing the short block, putting the crank in with the new bearings, new rod bearings, all that stuff. So stay tuned for the next video, people. But for now, 420 build. You see it, Eagle rod, SRP pistons. Yeah. Stay tuned, people. Look, you can see that. Oh, 75 millimeter board. Look at that. Nice. All right. Stay tuned, people. See, that's the WD-40. Lights right off. Whoop. All right, people. Stay tuned. More to come. Build ain't over. Just this video. All right. Subscribe for more.